Hello dear friends, please join me. In this video you will see how to crochet a cute 6-petal flower. Let's crochet the flower. Make chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. My foundation ring is ready. Let's crochet the first round. It is going to be a round of single crochet stitches. Make a chain, work into the ring. Make 12 single crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm done 12 single crochet stitches into the ring. I skip the chain stitch. Insert the hook into the single crochet, make a slip stitch. My round 1 is ready. Let's crochet round 2. It is going to be a round of petals. Let's begin round 2. Make a chain. Insert the hook into the same stitch that I worked before. Make single crochet. Then chain more. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the same stitch. Make double crochet. Then chain off to 1, 2. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook around the double crochet. Make 7 double crochet stitches not finished. I hold all loops with my finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Well done. Then yarn over, pull through all loops on the hook, pull it, and chain and pull it. Insert the hook into the next stitch, make single crochet. My first petal is ready. Let's crochet the next one. Insert the hook into the next stitch, make single crochet, then make a chain, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the same stitch, make double crochet. Then chain of 2, 1, 2, and to work with double crochet stitches not finished, make 7 times. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then yarn over, pull through, pull it, make a chain, pull it, insert the hook into the next stitch, make single crochet. My second petal is ready. So I'm done 2 petals. It is very easy to make, so you just need to know how to work with double crochet stitches in this round. In total it should be 6 of them. I'm done 2, you should crochet 4 more. Then I will show you how to complete this round with me. Once I have done all 6 petals, and now I show you how to complete my flower. I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the single crochet, make a slip stitch, and as you can see I already cut off my yarn to secure the yarn by making a chain, and pull it, and I just need to remove the yarn along the stitches on the back side of the flower using the sewing needle or crochet hook. And let's look what I have done. So that's it, my project is ready. Here how it looks when I am done. So this project could be perfect for beginners or elementary level in crocheting. For this flower you just need to know basic stitches such as chains, single crochet, slip stitch, double crochet. Also in this video I used wool yarn, but in your case it could be cotton yarn or variegated yarn, and depends on your project. All information about the tools, kind of tools, and useful links could be found in the description of each video tutorial. Such flower could be like a decoration for big project, or it could be separate motif. Also, such flower you can use in Irish or guipure laces. There are 6 petals in this flower. For example, you can make flower using wool yarn and then crochet the flower using cotton yarn and combine them like this. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time and good luck in crocheting. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use this flower. Bye!